Welcome to English Flow channel. I'm Anna. Today we're going to learn 30 common English chunks for daily conversations. If you've ever wondered why native English speakers sound so natural, the answer is simple. They don't think word by word. They use chunks. A chunk is a group of words that people use together all the time. Instead of learning single words, you'll learn complete expressions that you can use immediately. These are some of the most common chunks you'll hear in everyday English, at work, at school, while traveling, talking with friends, or simply watching movies and YouTube videos. Here's how today's lesson works. First, listen carefully. Then repeat each chunk out loud 2 times. After that, you'll hear a short explanation. Finally, you'll practice the chunk in a simple sentence. At the end of the lesson, you'll hear these chunks in natural conversations. Ready? Let's begin. Round 1. I don't know. I don't know. This is one of the most common expressions in English. Use it whenever you don't have the answer. I don't know the answer. I don't know the answer. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. This expression means you are not completely certain. Native speakers use it all the time because life isn't always black or white. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. It depends. It depends. Sometimes the answer changes according to the situation. This is the perfect expression to use when there isn't a simple yes or no. It depends on the weather. It depends on the weather. No problem. No problem. This is a friendly way to say you're happy to help or that something is okay. No problem at all. No problem at all. Of course. Of course. This is a polite and positive answer. Use it when you happily agree to do something. Of course I can help you. Of course I can help you. I think so. I think so. This means you believe something is true, but you're not 100% certain. I think so, but I'm not sure. I think so, but I'm not sure. I hope so. I hope so. Use this when you really want something good to happen. I hope so because I'm excited. I hope so because I'm excited. I guess so. I guess so. This is a casual expression. It means I think so, but with a little less confidence. I guess so. I guess so. Let me think. Let me think. Native speakers often say this before answering a question. It gives you a little time to think. Let me think for a moment. Let me think for a moment. Give me a second. Give me a second. This is a very common expression when you need a little time. Give me a second, please. Give me a second, please. Sounds good. Sounds good. This is a natural way to say you like an idea or a plan. Let's meet at 6. Sounds good. Let's meet at 6. Sounds good. That sounds great. That sounds great. Use this when you are even more enthusiastic about an idea. We're going to the beach tomorrow. That sounds great. We're going to the beach tomorrow. That sounds great. You're right. You're right. This is a polite way to agree with someone. You're right about that. You're right about that. That's true. That's true. Native speakers use this expression all the time to show agreement. Learning every day makes you better. That's true. Learning every day makes you better. That's true. I see. I see. This doesn't mean you see something with your eyes. It means you understand what another person is saying. Oh, I see now. Oh, I see now. Excellent work. You've just learned the first 15 common English chunks. Take a sip of water if you need one. Now let's continue with 15 more useful chunks that native speakers use every single day. Round 2. I get it. I get it. This means you understand something. It's very common after someone explains an idea. Oh, I get it now. Oh, I get it now. Not really. Not really. Use this when the answer is no, but you want to sound softer and more natural. Do you like coffee? Not really. Do you like coffee? Not really. Here you go. Here you go. Native speakers often say this when they give someone an object. Here you go. Thank you. Here you go. Thank you. Take care. Take care. This is a warm and friendly way to say goodbye. Take care. See you tomorrow. Take care. See you tomorrow. See you later. See you later. A very common way to say goodbye when you expect to meet again. See you later. Bye. See you later. Bye. Have a good one. Have a good one. This is an informal way to wish someone a nice day. Have a good one. You too. Have a good one. You too. What do you mean? What do you mean? Use this when you don't understand what someone is trying to say. What do you mean? Can you explain? What do you mean? Can you explain? Can you help me? Can you help me? Don't be afraid to ask for help. Native speakers use this expression every day. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Come on, come on. This expression has several meanings. It can encourage someone or show surprise depending on the situation. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Go ahead. Go ahead. This is a polite way to tell someone they can continue or start doing something. Go ahead. I'm listening. Go ahead. I'm listening. After you. After you. This is a polite expression when you let another person go first. After you. Thank you. After you. Thank you. No worries. No worries. This expression is very common in Australia, the UK, and many other English-speaking countries. It means, it's okay, no worries, I'm happy to help. No worries, I'm happy to help. That's okay, that's okay. Use this to reassure someone or to show that everything is fine. I'm sorry I'm late. That's okay. I'm sorry I'm late. That's okay. Why not? Why not? This is an easy way to say yes to an idea or suggestion. Let's watch a movie. Why not? Let's watch a movie. Why not? Me too. Me too. Use this when you want to say that you feel the same way as another person. I love pizza. Me too. I love pizza. Me too. Fantastic. You have now learned 30 common English chunks. These expressions appear in conversations every single day. Now, let's hear them in real situations. Just relax and listen. Notice how naturally these chunks fit into everyday conversations. Now, let's hear these chunks in real conversations. Just relax and listen. See how native speakers naturally use these expressions in everyday situations.
Dialogue 1. Meeting a friend.
Hi, Ben.
Hey, Anna, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. What about you?
I'm good, thanks.
Do you have any plans for today?
Not really.
Why not? It's a beautiful day.
I know, maybe I'll go for a walk.
That sounds great.
Yeah, I think so too.
Have fun. You too. See you later.
Dialogue 2. Asking for help.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, what's the problem?
I'm looking for the train station.
Oh, I see, it's only 5 minutes from here.
Really?
Yes, go straight then turn left.
Thank you so much.
No worries.
Have a good day.
You too.
Dialogue 3. Choosing a restaurant.
Do you want Italian food tonight?
It depends.
On what?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe pizza, maybe sushi.
I love pizza.
Me too.
Great. Let's get pizza.
Sounds good.
Dialogue 4. At a coffee shop.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
A cappuccino, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Thanks. You too.
Dialogue 5. Talking about a movie.
Did you watch the new movie last night?
Yes, I did.
Was it good?
I think so. The ending was really interesting.
Really? I wasn't sure about it.
Give it a chance.
Why not?
Dialogue 6. Saying goodbye.
Well, I have to go now.
Okay,
It was nice talking to you.
me too.
See you next week.
See you later.
Take care.
You too. Bye.
Excellent work today. You just learned 30 common English chunks that native speakers use every single day. Remember, don't try to memorize individual words. Memorize complete chunks. That's how real conversations work. If you want these expressions to become natural, watch this lesson again. Listen, repeat, and use these chunks whenever you speak English. The more you hear them, the more naturally they will come to you. In the next lesson, we'll learn 30 common English chunks for giving your opinion. By the end of that lesson, you'll know 60 useful English chunks. I'm Anna from English Flow Channel. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep flowing in English. See you in the next lesson.